Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we will be taking a quick look at how you can get started with Hootsuite. So, let's get into now. Hootsuite is a platform that enables you to manage your social media and increase your overall social media performance. You have automated inboxes and a lot of different management tools, as well as the fact that you can manage multiple different social media platforms all in one space. Now, this is something that you need to have for a growing business. If you're looking to start your business and you're trying to get on track with all of your social media, then Hootsuite is a great option. You can create, your content, you can plan your content, you can schedule it as well. And it is a very effective way to get your brand name out there. So, to get started, all you need to do is head on over to hootsuite.com. Once you're on hootsuite.com, you just want to click on Start Your Free Trial over here. Then, choose what you want here. If you want it just for yourself, or if you want the team plan, I will choose the Just For Me version. And the best part about this is that you can get a 30-day free trial, or if you skip your trial, you can get a discount on Hootsuite. Now, fill up all the basic details here. Then, click on Create My Account. Now, on this page, you have annual or monthly billing options. Choose your suitable billing plan as per your needs and enter your payment details like credit card or your PayPal. Then continue towards next step. I will just enter my information and I will get back to you guys in a second. And you don't have to worry. You will get your 30-day free trial and then after that you will start getting charged. Now, after that, you have to do one of the most crucial steps of Hootsuite, which is to link your social media account. So, you have all major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest. I will just add some social media accounts. Get right back. As you can see, I just added my Pinterest and my Facebook to Hootsuite. So once you add your social media, you can just click on Let's Go and this will load up Hootsuite. So this is the Hootsuite dashboard. As you guys can see on the top left, you get your home icon, our little Hootsuite owl then. You have your upgrade plans, then create section, then your basic search section comes. Below that, you will see some other options like stream, planner, inboxes, ad, analytics. Then if check the dashboard, you will see section like top performing post, which helps in analysis. Now, let's explore the create section and create a pin for Pinterest and schedule it. You will see this new pin editor. First, select the board you just want to pin. Now paste or write a link where the user will be redirected. For example, I have added google.com. Now, choose an image for your pin. Oops, let's try again. There you go. On the right side, it will how your pin will look. This previous will be according to for what platform you are making post. Now, if you want to post now, this will be automatically posted on your Pinterest. If you want to schedule it for later, then you go for it. For now, I will schedule it, choose the date and time, and careful to choose the right time. And also you can export the content calendar in PDF and CSV file to showcase it. As this is a weekly planner, you can see the previous week or content calendar just by clicking on the old dates. Now, let's head over to inspiration section. Here we will find the Hootsuite's own iconic AI, OnlyWriter AI. Click on Get Inspired, select the topic you want ideas on, and wait a bit. From the given ideas, select one of them. And there you go, captions are ready for you. You can create a post by just simply clicking on Create Post. Before that, let's check out other options. This other will also help your upscale your content game. Make sure to check out each of them. Now head over to Stream section. From here, you can check the stacks of your posts, other settings like mention, timeline, and much more, and schedule post for your page. Now, let's get to the Advertise section. In here, you will easily be able to access your ads accounts from here. Simply just connect them and get the analytics part here. You can directly run ads from here. You can also check out Profile and my app, which is a great feature of Hootsuite. You can really upgrade your social media game and content with Hootsuite. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.